Yamamu nyinaa kwa babio eba yaw anafi Ajimai TV sabre said the die no menanya bi se san ene mo hia bio na nyame adom na de menya mpanifo kuku dampa o mo akwadare ewo agudi ho sem e Ghana ene na yama bi America bi chimemu bensani faso ni dodu o ha na mfaso ni ayi Ghana manche na dom na different organa Ghana na o man FM and what you na say Chris Wado also akwadare mu ye pan pa agudi ho sem Ghana o man FM no dia kwetene ono kra de say e ba na say agudi pan ya bobo pan de ne China ina ko akobobo e hu say de ball bo on se set tie pan na ye nyina ye nim say World Cup na me ya dom BSC 2014 Ghana sign ya konya kopiem o Brazil na kwesi apia ya Blasters coach no yi ememua etoto grupa sabre de mo kwakwa ya musisi o Holland ne America o im ansana o ma ko Brazil na sedi eja abribia ye no se o bitu kwanya e se okra wona ne waja the Blasters of Ghana bobuku no akọ eye amampene John Dramani Mahama Seye Mampani police so na mampani so sabe wanye akwadoro kra woto pono kama e ma ne mai eni omu edidi esre enu eji o de bia sai na wahye obo e boni e bohye bi emu die o se Ghana enko Brazil enko je World Cup no na no ne be ahye so die e de ma the Blasters of Ghana no afi Ghana be sai o man ya dikan ya World Cup akansi e wa bi ma ayetumi aje but me and if you are comfortable, Musa, Okono dear, Edene, Musa Nadia, Blasters of Ghana, Yeshebre, and I say Yebrason, so World Cup, you get me 2014 party, Tofiaka, Blasters, Midi, Musa won't make the World Cup, said your Mampanica. Now, so, if I default to Kura, Mezacom, name him on my danger, so what did he said your Mampaniaka, said Ghana for the World Cup, man, the bit me, Abaswa. Mama Kwaba. Good. What do you have? Yeah. But also, sir, how you tell me? Get America. Yeah, okay, yes, Very. You are Kwaba. Yeah, because I also have to community aid. Very, yeah, very acid. Yeah, good. Now, what's that, man? Send your man Penica and acquire Ghana between up the World Cup. Then you will be. And now they share and more because maybe who is about pressure about that team so oh brother
the first World Cup the consortium second one
I was Germany 2000 I don't know you only cool
I saw already
yes okay so
you could second one they could do better I don't see you could do better but this time no me challenge you said so it's maybe BT group stage here you can find out
now say it me share US you share Germany Portugal you group no and it me qualify next stage
me no yeah we are this is here your group the most difficult team in America.
Oh, okay, but Germany and Portugal are
already here. Okay. On to answer for the third time.
Then they are difficult, man.
Yeah, but it's me beating our group stage here. Trust me.
We are on next stage.
You call
beat me in the final.
Yeah. But me pretty say you car.
Okay.
But for the first time in Africa, Ghana, they beat.
Some of you quarter finals near doing semi-finals, African team being to me, you bet me I tried.
You tried the finals.
You qualify or you group
is dear.
A group of them.
Your group no a group of them. Trust me. And my dear,
telling them new because of Germany and Portugal.
Yeah, but
was the world best player around.
I know how you can. Say group with
yeah.
On people say, oh, Germany, Portugal, no Ronaldo is the name, and Germany.
No, Pepe, Ronaldo going in the
Forget it. Forget, look at me. Listen to me. Watch my eyes. The cast be extra one.
Yeah. A chip also,
Yeah. Ghana. Yes. Your main target and then America. One transformation for the third time.
Okay.
Macasa way actual. Share you been Germany easily. America you easily down. But say you America easily yeah. And
good. But I said, Meko ni I Gamma 10. Well, I said or no say, or GDS say to me, Enya advantage share America share Germany and I draw against Portugal and confirm next stage there all the way to the final. Well, ni media so no na dia no sa dia na or ya back in your man I said Ghana wash your was on with the meaning so GD no excel say make me to some pen so now because if you class first round one media mean say last up first round one don't to qualify for next
okay minimum medals I'm say me game what shall now say target am paying the team as am paying target am one players not more because so we be have competition you know but aim for the ultimate so aim for the trophy onu aye omampini no I will say fine. The first appearance was second round. The second appearance was a quarter final. Third one third one the say nature say you be semi final. Now do semi final so dia now do medal zone. Okay. Do medal zone now unya a little push. Say na when you can say be but then one question you say beside you say say share the Germany 2006 team no I go you know and in the South Africa 2010 team no any team where you go say you should build up to the World Cup itself and I share team now is it the same or not the same then you decide you say
quality no
thank you very much if I be me know you are doing Ghana for be no you be na empe no so o kan no na on person baka no on person wo de ka say e bia ye beji cap number na e bare let's face reality say na o kan say e bia team no feel say on qualify media
qualify crown
if you ask me on paper say on paper no ye be 4 candidates move by for the trophy na say you see ye start tournament no ba ye for another 5 to be honest with you on paper me selecting Ghana because if the whole world best goalkeeper our German national team the whole world the whole world best player our Portugal team
Cristiano
and then the kind of league on place level so on paper itself we show on paper now we can't know because Ghana no players are in the bottom apart from Kujo Asamoah about top player football. Can I'm for best 6 to me kind of 1 6. But Portuguese team no. What man can want to. Yeah, me know cause I say you know. Pepe Eko boy UEFA Champions League final. He say Ronaldo go UEFA Champions League final. Sure German team no. Sure send a place in Ebo boy ko. Is it the same thing on paper no? I will not put Ghana there. But then football is football. Sometimes you go in the game. Say that Ghana
mentality no to me man.
Germany 2006
on the day. On the Germany 2000
change Germany 2000.
I'm talking about football angle. Yeah,
when the same group.
Make us from a football angle.
Germany
on the day, that very day, player yes. On the day,
that is why we catch up say Germany 2006. Ghana, any Czech
Republic.
Moses for Monica so can say that but then Czech was the leading club in the world.
No, only second after Brazil.
Yeah.
No, we are number 2 after Brazil.
Yeah.
Now your group now not win the first 10 ranking
on that very day.
But then man, something is going to change from that group.
On that very day.
So
something is going to change.
So football is
and kind of
almost see
the
game of consistency.
And kind of
you cannot predict football.
And you kind of correct.
The president,
on that very day.
And kind of correct because leather.
Yeah.
And I'm from home.
And one color. And one color.
Which is football. So football, and kind of play. So football, and kind of prayer. And there is no way Ghana will go to 2006 World Cup. But look at the team we had in 2006. And then qualify equal that stage. Look at the team we had in 2010 and then ask yourself, say, do we have that same team? The same team. Because Germany, you know, almost say, sometimes you know, now you want to listen.
And they were all by then.
Or not, so, how do you call it? So,
need so briefly, need so briefly, I'm Sam Brown champion. What it need, my man shot the back. Maybe when it's out there, Ghana, I have been German, 20% tension back from. Send on the other swap of myself, put the attempt and there, the Silumba, new crowd, no one say P. Anyway, we craft it. What do you make I saw Ghana? As you do, Kania. When you because I said, Minion so class of Evan Webby and India. I said, Ghana, tension, no thing. And maybe a man, 20% money, my brass, and I said, Ghana for. Players in the World Cup and the Sean was a World Cup and so making at it. Now they had assistant team, no, I'm out for the Asa zone to go from, and that's I kind of from there. Maybe I'll be and no, but tell me so at the team Ghana, tension down.
Yeah, I give a work Ghana boom sport.
Yes, it is soccer, yeah.
You expect that the president will take advantage of that into the World Cup there been
closing stages in the year too.
So very bizarre. The come on my
maybe the heart of Ghana and say
yes.
On men take attention on the World Cup. There's also
free politics. Then or bread Yama like woman. On football.
No, and if you know, how long can you say, if I were President Mahama, I'll challenge the team to win the trophy. Because me papa. No, and I'm more background is said, more and a team no Ghana, then I'm Ghana opinion. Japan.
But Nima means what prepare or manufacturing for said. And she share way now they are 2 moments with your because minimum say Ghana money and prepare to win.
Because the GFA, the GFA and then the technical team, which is started by Kusi Apia, I catch them say, Oma prepare enough. Oma catch them say, one the best team, or they call, or catch them say, they only say, or you have support, or no, I found a family dear, selecting players, any day, or no back, I'm a cramming as part of the nation. I'm a cramming say, now we need your support. For who support neutrality, you have to call for Ghanaians to rally behind us. Catch them say, so if you can me say, what pick your best?
Yeah.
And the mission catch them say, dear me what a fancy film, a fan support a film, but then as everybody says is to his serious who call battlefield. I expect you to go back and come in. Also, we call battlefield now. Yeah, especially no. So, what you say? Go
from footballing angle. When it comes from footballing angle,
yeah.
You know, like definitely, we can't change the plan. Say, aim for the target, like say, trophy now.
Yeah.
But then, if we are talking politically, definitely, like, oh yeah, a tension now. And coffin.
But this man don't know. The opportunity more of people so can. A grown from. I say yeah. Why you are a promise? I don't know. Do more than say those who can tactically. But in the game, what can we? I say 1 century. And I'm what football. It means 1 century.
Football on the day. Let's master.
Anything can happen.
I'm telling you.
Football.
Yeah. The day.
Leather.
Yeah.
And I did from my shoe.
From us who.
And 22 players.
And then ball.
Plus a referee no change one single ball. So anything at all can happen.
But then you as host no me say no kind me pay because you are facing reality. Let's face reality. That on that very day.
Yeah.
On that very day, I'm telling you, they catch up on there. Mama ring, maybe American I'm sure. I'm the US I'm sure.
victory
on that very day, something different will happen.
Preparation.
I don't know how to put it. Victory loves preparation.
On that very day, soccer will not tell truth to the whole world.
I said already football.
Thank you very much.
I don't know, maybe because
And I will tell me, football can't. On that very day,
you're not ready to win the World Cup in
No way.
but
No African team, and five now, yeah, Polina, will be able to win the cup. Ghana.
The entire cast are.
may I argue about it?
I'm myself from France.
May I argue about it?
African teams.
May argument, told me. But may I be to that stage in India? I'll come remember I'll stage you. Saying me be to the and it comes as
But me.
You see a baby are doing that here. Baby, super.
Come with this. I mean, come with this victory loves preparation.
Yeah, victory loves preparation, right?
You look at preparation of group.
US.
Preparation of the United
Germany.
States. United
And Portugal. I'm not the
I am interested. Then you know,
they're very interesting. Landon Donovan, the most decorated American star. Finally, yeah. That time
and if you're wrong argument. And then came to me a year, let me have the mic. Listen, at any time.
He was one.
He's like my listen. He's like my listen. Yes.
Slightly ahead.
But why you all drop my listen?
See?
But
yes,
courage.
It happens.
No,
he makes me qualify for the man, America.
If we see up here, I bet my courage. Now why is
My it's like Michael Essien.
Come on,
Yeah, it's like Michael Essien. Yeah. Why makes it?
He shouldn't be favored.
But me, it's automatic choice.
Let me cast him up my Essien. No, you want to you want to go.
At least experience.
Because I can critical or beer or yet equal to my Essien. Never drop my Essien. Keep it dropping.
But it was a guy you'll be equal to my
even this new guy about Palmer free up. He's a robust midfielder. He's a boss-to-boss midfielder. Right? Now, all that guy needs is the confidence. Tell the coach, tell you play football before. Sometimes you call a player to the touchline, tell him that Anefi. Me know share game, you know.
Yeah.
Me, I will say my money I've worked on a bench. And I know I share game. You gotta prove me right. You gotta prove everybody's watching you. Go there and perform.
But in Medford, I got a utility player. Confidence
Son of Uncle said, coach, best made like young player, they are shaking.
Yeah.
Now, Uncle and so on said,
It's in a
player, now on washing. Oh, yeah, journalist, right?
Yeah.
Who calls studio? The same FSA and all course now.
No,
she said,
it
wasn't your boss.
First day,
and your boss knew, and I always said it was,
your immediate person,
yeah.
And the coach, I think it's best said, really player innovation, and the big players, send all kind of instant.
Yeah.
And then, if you are waiting about me, she said, like,
so, are you telling me we're gonna, are you telling me you're a worker? If it's in his shape, it's in uniform, and then you tell me because it's your experienced guy, best guy, and on that day it's not performing, you put him in, and then you.
I'm talking before.
Come on, man.
But I knew because you're here. On to me, not courage in your Cosia.
I know.
And you say, we are Montari, and because the same over campion. That campion,
My cousin Joka, yeah, Mohammed, right?
Yeah, Mohammed of Kotoko. Then I knew that
Yeah, on your Kotoko boy. So,
I'm
meaning pa, by Mohammed. What if some young make us say, wine press war?
tournament.
Yeah,
Of course, South Africa.
yeah, and non-chair, Mike, listen.
Yeah.
Babu some say impressive or China.
So
That's the less.
if you had a chance that
I think had injuries that time it would be a big crack.
Me only didn't ball come the same platform. And Busa make us say, I didn't remember the editing. I told you, you can do it more than Bonto. Those two boys. I've said it more and more because only they are lazy in acting. And I will never forget doing this. They have done better and they will do better than maybe me and I'm telling you.
But they be on more like
they are lazy just thinking. Okay.
They are playing on the big stage there, problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna do big stage now. And who can crack on?
Oh, yeah,
J3. And me, that's my platform. Because they ask me to do big platform. That's what I want to.
So now when you get into the big platform, if you look at the Wall Street, right?
And then
all the big performance, if you look at the team, they have staunch and big and qualified psychologists who send the place up. Ask yourself, the team that will have, you have that psychologist in the team. Send the player up.
it's all part of it.
big platform. Now say you can do it. You can do it. And pass up. Wait me.
Well, that's it for Bruno. I have bit and then Nifabicia picture. Namia Duma and Repemolo, best animal share. But Kai said Sunday behavior 2 p.m. up to 3 p.m. on Amansan Radio, New York. You know, we share. Nothing Tuesdays, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And we know that every year, we World Cup 2014. African team, be to me, well, it be an hour option, African TV, can't bet me have one. You will comment number on Amansan Radio. But really, who is Africa 2014, 8 million. And including Ghana, said your man Mahama. I can say Ghana, one World Cup, on the Panachawa, or the Asudi, Cassiana took place. So, I'm on fair in the crew and Yamin win
And then,
Oh, I did retention.
Wait a minute.